I mean, just take a look. We have space for days. Entertainment for friends, family. Oh, friends and family can be over here. We can go to our office. What else can you want? What's going on, beautiful people? It's your real estate go-to, Diante, here today with another open house preview for you guys. This open house will be August 6th, Saturday from 11 to 2 p.m. at 2372 TIMBERHILL Court in Clermont, Florida, guys. And you're gonna see in this preview this beautiful floor plan, 3,800 plus square foot home, okay? 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. The list goes on. So I'm not even gonna talk about it. Let's take a look at the house. So guys, there you go. I will see you once again August 6th, okay, from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. And listen, if you guys aren't able to make it to the open house, I have my contact information below as well in the description, okay? So we can set up a private showing just so you and your family don't miss out on the opportunity in regards to this beautiful home, okay? And always remember one thing, in real estate, there are only two people that can get you exactly what you want, okay? That's D and you, all right?